freedom, democracy, and the constitution, and the national flag. This is the basic what a man desires. With the leadership of the Prime Minister to Ambedkar, I think equality who have been depressed and every section has to be protected. This is a great day where the country has to remember, and it is protecting every citizen of this country. And the entire world is also appreciating our constitution. So I thank the Congress party under the leadership of Baba Saheb Ambedkar that it is protecting every citizen. Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, the president of the Congress party, under his leadership and the leadership of Rahulji, we declared Jai Bhim, Jai Gandhi, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan. This slogan last year on the 100 years of our Mahatma Gandhi's celebration being the Congress president. So we'll continue to take it. This is a great strength. It is a Bhagavad Gita, it is a Bible, it is a Quran, and all is there to protect every section of the society.
So former Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gawai, while speaking to Times Now, says that SC/ST should be removed from the reservation, sir, that Uniform Civil Code should be followed. He says this on an important day, sir, like the Constitution Day. How do you see this statement, sir?
No, it is with experience, whatever they have spoken, I don't want to comment on it. It is my political party will take a stand. We have to protect still there are a lot of section of people who have been depressed in our villages. We should see that their lives will be lifted up. This is our duty. That is why in Karnataka we came out with an amendment that on the population of their numbers, we should give them funds and they should be developed. Still the Delhi government or BJP government or India government has not thought such type of bold decision has to be taken to protect the rights of this downtrodden people.
Last question to you, sir. Many are saying that there should be a change of guard. So you have said it, or CM has said it, you all have all said High Command should take a decision. But many of your supporters and MLAs are now saying that you should be made the CM. So even last night, Mr. Iqbal Hussain has also reiterated the same thing, sir.
See, I don't want to discuss on the aspirations. For me, the party coming to power next is very much important. We will all work unitedly. I don't want many MLAs to just speak on me. The party will take its call at the appropriate time. Whatever has been discussed is between the four walls. Let us not discuss anything on it. So my party high command is there in the best interest of the party. Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge Sahab, Rahulji, Madam Sonia Ji, and all other senior leaders, my General Secretary, Administration and Corporation, and all of them are there. They know what is best interest for the country. We will go by it. For me, Chief Minister is not important. Position is important, not important. It is taking everyone together, working together, and bringing back the party together is important.
Last question, sir. Mr. Sadanand Gowda says, sir, that